2026 Skoda Octavia Hybrid. Mild hybrid powertrain update for Australia. Skoda's Octavia mid-size range in Australia is receiving a key update with the introduction of a new mild hybrid powertrain in both liftback and wagon body styles. The new variants, arriving in showrooms in April 2026, replace the existing 110 TSI Select and Sportline models. Pricing and availability: the Octavia Select Hybrid MHEV liftback will start at $41,990 before on-road costs, with a drive-away price of $43,990. The wagon version is slightly more expensive, at $43,490 before on-roads or $45,990 drive-away. These prices represent a small increase over the outgoing purely petrol-powered Select models. Powertrain and efficiency: the new mild hybrid system combines a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, producing 110 kW of power and 250 Nm of torque, with a 48V mild hybrid setup and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Despite maintaining the same outputs as the previous 1.4-liter engine, fuel consumption has improved significantly. Liftback: 5. 1L/100 km down from 6. 1L/100 km. Wagon: 5. 2L/100 km down from 6. 2L/100 km. The improved efficiency is due to the mild hybrid system assisting during acceleration, enabling engine-off coasting, and recovering energy during braking. Standard features: the Octavia Select Hybrid comes well-equipped, including 17-inch alloy wheels, proximity entry and push-butt start, hands-free power tailgate, 10-inch virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster, 13-inch touchscreen, infotainment with satellite navigation, heated front seats and dual-zone climate control, a comprehensive suite of safety features, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and more. Optional signature pack for an additional $6,500. The signature pack adds premium features such as 18-inch alloy wheels, matrix LED headlights, leather upholstery with power adjustable, memory, massage, and ventilated front seats, head-up display position in the range. The new mild hybrid Select model sits below the high-performance RS variant, which remains available at $62,990. Liftback, or $64,990. Wagon drive-away: the RS is powered by a more potent 2-liter engine, producing 195 kW/370 Nm, but still achieves a respectable fuel consumption of 7.0L/100 km. The introduction of the mild hybrid powertrain demonstrates Skoda's commitment to improving fuel efficiency in its popular Octavia lineup, aligning with broader industry trends toward electrification and emissions reduction. This upgrade provides a more economical option for Australian buyers without sacrificing performance or features.